Hello everybody, this is Sala. You guys are learning C# in this exciting course.
This is our lecture number 20 on C# cancel programming course. We have been discussing conditionals in last couple of lectures, and I hope you now have good understanding of if and switch statements. This lecture is also about making decisions in a program, but not either using the if statements or the switch statements. Now, in addition to the if and the switch statement, we have another operator in C# that can also be used in decision making. And that operator is called ternary operator. Ternary operator is a shorthand version of an if-else. That means an if-else can easily be replaced by the ternary operator. The operator has its own syntax, as you can also see on the scheme. The syntax is divided into three different parts: the condition, true action, and the false action. And there always be an assignment. That means the syntax is going to return some value. The true action is marked using the cursive character, and the false action is marked using the colon. The operator is going to evaluate a condition. If the condition is true, then the true action is executed and a result is returned. And in case of false evaluation, false action is executed and a result is returned. So the syntax is very compact. And like I said, it's a shorthand version of an if-else statement. So let me write a program with if-else statement, and then we will modify the same program using ternary operator. So in the program, I have an age variable and a string variable like this. Now, using the age value, I want to know if the person is adult or minor. A very simple program. If a person is 18 or above 18, he or she is adult, otherwise minor. So this version of the if statement can be replaced by the ternary operator. So let me show you how. Now I see a very concise code, one line based condition. So if the condition is true, adult is returned, otherwise minor is returned. And this code is irrelevant now. So let's run the program and check it out. And here you can see the output, adult, right? So that was the ternary operator. It's simple, elegant, and a powerful tool. You can use it in simple condition-based assignment. There should be an assignment. But if you have more complex condition and want to perform multiple actions, then you will go for regular if statements. So that was all about ternary operator. Write some programs, do some drill. I will see you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.